All righty, we are putting a pretty little bow on our money unit. You guys have been rocking it. You've been doing a nice job counting money. You've been doing a nice job figuring out the amount of change needed or the amount of money still needed to save. So today we're going to take a little quiz and call it done. Okay, so this quiz that you will be taking today will be going on your report card. So make sure that as you are reading the questions, you're really thinking about what they say, okay? You're not missing any parts. Before we jump into that quiz, we are going to go ahead and review. Lots of requests for this one, so why not? With our money, we got money. All right, here we go. We will watch this video and then we will do a bit of a vocabulary game to review the coins and their values, and then I will release that quiz to you. Here you go.
Pennies, nickels, and dimes, they're all mine. Listen, you know,
I get paid.
all of y'all better know.
I get paid.
Hey, are y'all ready? I like to say hi, my name is Penny. I'm the color copper, kind of red. But I don't let that get to my head. I'm only worth 1 cent, yeah, just one. But I make change and I get the job done. For all the scholars, if you wanted $1, gee, you would need 100 copies of me.
Up next on the mic, I'm a nickel. I'm worth 5 pennies. It's that simple. I'm colored silver, second biggest in size. 2 of me, that would be worth a dime. Yes, I'm a nickel, the coin worth 5 cents. Bet you didn't know I knew how to rhyme. You can flip me and get heads or tails. I still be a nickel, can't you tell?
I have got money.
I got money.
I got money.
Yeah, I got money.
It makes sense that I get paid. Dollars and cents just make me save. I've got money.
Yeah, I got money.
I got money.
I got money.
It makes sense that I get paid. Dollars and cents just make me save.
Come on, pass the microphone, dude. I'm a dime, worth 10 cents, and I'm right on time. I'm the littlest coin, but worth more than a penny or a nickel. Yeah, for sure. I'm worth 10 pennies or 2 nickels. I got a new deal for you. It's simple. Take 10 of me, and you've got $1. Dimes make all the dudes holler, holler.
You want the biggest coin people use on the daily? They call me quarter, my life's crazy. Worth 25 pennies, 25 cents. I'm large and strong, I don't get bent. $0.25, so it takes 4 of me to make $1. If you're at the store, take a look at me. If you dig a picture of George Washington wearing a wig.
I've got money.
I got money.
I got money.
Yeah, I got money.
It makes sense that I get paid. Dollars and cents just make me save. I've got money.
Yeah, I got money.
I got money.
I got
It
money.
makes sense that I get paid. Dollars and cents just make me save.
Check me out, y'all. My name's Bill. I'm $1 made out of paper. I must be a scholar, worth 100 pennies or 4 quarters. I'm pretty. Just look at my 4 borders.
I'm a $5 bill. Hi, I'm Abe Lincoln. You think I'm worthless? What's your brain thinking? I'm worth $5 or 500 cents. My head is big, yeah, so are my friends.
$10 bill here for all to see. If you love colored paper, you just love me.
Okay, enough, guys. Yeah, that's plenty. I'm worth more than y'all. I am a 20.
What about me? I think I'm rather nifty. I'm not 20, kids, I'm 50.
We're $100 bills, you better let us in. Cause don't you know it's all about the Benjamins? Benjamin Franklin, he's on my face. I'm the biggest bill in this place. Ha! That's money, but it's not funny to me. You need to work hard cause it doesn't grow on trees.
I've got money.
I got money.
I got money.
Yeah, I got money.
It makes sense that I get paid. Dollars and cents just make me save. I've got money.
Yeah, I got money.
I got money.
I got
It
money.
makes sense that I get paid. Dollars and cents just make me save.
Let's go.
I've got money. I have got money. It makes sense that I get paid. Dollars and cents just make me save. I've got money.
Yes, Levin.
Money actually doesn't grow off trees because money is made out of paper.
Money what?
Money is made off of trees.
Yes, there is some tree that's involved in paper, but it's not growing on trees.
Trees are made of fabric. Well, no, money is made of fabric. Trees have paper.
Yes, there is some paper and fabric fibers inside of bills. Y'all are getting into science though. All right, here we go. You are getting ready to use your sign language. So let's review. A, make a fist, put your thumb on the side. A, oh, you know what? No, we do 1, 2, 3s on this, don't we? Yep, 1, 2, 3. Everybody knows how to show 1. Everybody knows how to show 2. Everybody knows how to show 3. And some of them will have a 4. You're going to show 1, 2, 3, or 4. I forgot that's how we do this. Okay. All right, here we go. Vocabulary game. We are going to build the beat. I will click on the answer that has the most votes. Okay, here we go. Slow clap. All right. The ice cream cost 25 cents. So I asked my mom for a dime, nickel, or quarter. What'd you ask for if it cost 25 cents? A dime, a nickel, or a quarter? Nice. I am seeing some 3s. Quarters do cost 25 cents. Good Lord, we got to get rid of that clap and get some more music. Let's get it going. All right. Drag the word that goes best with the image. Are these bills, cents, or pennies? What are these? Good. Bills they are. Drag the word over the missing, drag the missing word into place. In math class, we came up with different ways to make one blank or 100 cents. Is 100 cents a dollar, a dime, or a quarter? 100 cents. Show me on your finger. A dollar it is. Dollar bills, y'all. Drag the word that goes best with the image. Is this a nickel, a dime, or a penny? What is this a picture of? Yes, it is a nickel. And good. Here comes some more music. Okay. Drag the right word to its definition. A U.S. unit of money with a value of 1/100th of a dollar. One. What is 1/100th of a dollar? Is it a bill, a quarter, or a cent? Turn that down a little bit. It is not a bill. I'm seeing bills. It is a cent. A cent is 1/100th of a dollar. All right, what is this? A dime, a penny, or a bill? Dime, penny, bill. It's a dime. Up next on the mic, I'm a blank. I'm worth 5 pennies. It's that simple. I'm colored in silver, second biggest in size. Worth 5 pennies is 5 cents, a dime, a penny, or a nickel. Some of y'all got tricked by that word cent. 5 pennies is a nickel. Good, most of you got it. Drag the word that goes best with the image. Is this a dollar, a penny, or a quarter? What is it? Dollar, penny, or quarter? Y'all better be right. It's a penny because it is bronze. Okay. Got a nice little synth in there. Sound like a steel drum. I can dig it. A penny is a different color blank than a nickel. Is it a different color bill? Is a penny a different color dollar? Or is a penny a different color coin? Coins for days. Coin it is. Drag the word with this image. Is that a quarter, a bill, or a penny? What is it? If you dig George Washington wearing a wig, it's a quarter. Excellent. If I give you a penny, I'm giving you 1 bill, cent, or nickel. If I give you a penny, I'm giving you 1 what? 1 cent. Very good. Christopher, he's got the jam there, man. That's good. I like it. I'm gonna steal it. All right, here we go. Come on, pass the microphone. Dude, I'm a blank. Worth 10 cents. I'm right on time. Is it a dime, a penny, or a nickel worth 10 cents? It is. It's a dime. Woo! A piece of paper money. Steve would have us know that it's also got fabric fibers. A piece of paper money. Is paper money a penny, a bill, or a coin made out of paper? What is it, y'all? It is. It's a bill. You got it. 3 more. What are these? Are these a bill, a dollar, or a coin? What are they? Coins indeed. All right, I just put 111. Oops, my brain wasn't working. A U.S. coin with a value of 1 cent. 1 cent is 1 cent. A penny, a quarter, or a nickel. One more. What is this? Is this a nickel, a quarter, or a dollar? What is it? Dollar bill, y'all. Dance break. And cut. All right, you feeling ready?
I think I won.
Body's warmed up. All right, friends, you are getting ready to show what you know about money, okay? The values of coins, the values of bills, as well as if you have enough money to make a purchase, okay? So you're going to review those goals today. One thing that I want to make sure that you are very careful with today is carefully reading the questions, okay? Carefully reading the questions, all right? So we have our goals, finding the value of a collection of money, seeing if we have enough to make a purchase in a real world situation. Next up, before you start, if you would like to watch any of these videos on your independent time, you can do so. So if you're in the middle of your quiz and you say, oh shoot, I forgot how much a quarter's worth, you can go watch one of these videos to review that anytime. Slides 3 is where your work begins. So this is what I am going to be grading, okay? Miss Camille, did you hear that? This is what I'm going to be grading. So you will find the collection of coins. You're going to see if you have enough to buy this teddy bear. Slide 4 is the same. What's the value of the collection of coins? Can you buy this Lego minifig? Slide 5, find the collection of coins. Can you buy these maracas? Also, this adds why or why not. And it tells you use words like less, more, or equal. Same thing here. Find the collection of money, the value. Can you buy this rocket ship? Why or why not? And 7, same thing. Find the value of the collection of coins. Can you buy this? I forget what that's called. Is that a trumpet? That's not a trumpet. I don't remember what it is. Whatever it is, it's very cheap for that. It is a trumpet? Okay. Buy this trumpet. Why or why not? And then on slide 8, final one. Okay. Collection of money. Can you buy this xylophone? Why or why not? Okay. So you are going to answer questions 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. If you need to review, there are review videos for you on slide 2. Okay. This is an assessment, which means it is a test. So I am not offering help today. Okay. I can help you read something if you don't know how to read it, or if you are confused about it, but I cannot help you with any of the math. Okay. No help on the counting or on the sentence for why or why not. All right. So if you would please go to Seesaw, refresh your feed and click on that activities bulb, and it will be there. You can go ahead and click and add response.
Do we get on the assignment?
You can, that is fine. I'm just giving you a minute to get there, and then I will open it up for you. All right. So when you click on add response, you're going to see what I just shared with you. I want to go over with you what I'm expecting so you know what points there are going to be. So take a look at slide 3. Each slide is the same. It's just a different picture of money and an item to buy. Each of these is going to be worth 4 points. Okay. So what that means is I'm going to be giving you a point for if you use the correct sign. Do you use the $sign and the cent sign correctly? That's a point. Do you count the money correctly? That's a point. Do you circle yes or no? That's a point. And did you explain it using words like more, less, and equal? That's a point. Okay. So 4 points for the sign, for counting the money correctly, for correctly deciding yes or no, and correctly explaining. Okay, 4 points for each slide. So that's 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 points for this assignment. That's a lot. Okay, 24 points for this test today. Any questions on what is expected of you before I release you to work? Questions on what you're going to do on this quiz? Yes, Oscar.
So am I gonna get so the place where it says why or why not, be sure to use words like more or less or equal.
So this is where you're going to put a text box. This is where you're going to put a text box, Oscar, that's going to explain. I can buy this because, and then you'll say if you have enough money or not. Or you might say, I cannot buy this because, and you're going to explain why. So you're looking at the amount of money that you have, and you're looking at how much the item costs, and you're going to tell me why you can or cannot buy it. Does that make sense, or is that still confusing?
That makes sense.
Okay. William, a question.
Are you going to let us go so we can go work?
I am, yes. Levin.
Is it okay if we go like to highest to lowest coin?
Yep, that is totally fine. You can move all of this money so you can count it in whatever way makes sense for you. You just need to make sure that you count every single coin there. So what you want to be careful of is that you don't do this, right? You don't want to cover up money and then accidentally forget to count it. You want to make sure you can see all the money, but if it makes sense for you to put your coins in order, greatest to least value, that's totally fine. Okay, however you need to solve. Say it again. Oh, labeling it. Yeah, so if your brain needs to label the coins, that is totally fine. So if you need to use your values by writing 25, 10, 5, that's fine. Or if your brain works like this and using that list where we add amounts, that's fine too. You're using whatever strategy makes sense for you. Okay? You do not have to, no, but I do want you to show your work in some way. So if that's just moving the money to show me how you counted it, that can be showing me your work. If that's using your pen tool, that can be showing me your work. But what I don't want is for you to just do this and then just write an amount. You got to move it to show me what you counted first or second, something like that. Okay? Great question. Yes, Mato.
You know what I do is put the quarters down and put the money up.
Oh, yeah, that's one strategy. Yep, is the coins down and the dollars up. That'll work. All right, guys, this is your test. Again, I am not offering help because it is a test, okay? So I'm going to stop the recording. Goodbye.